The Bravos vacuum pump is located on the right side of the unit. There are several different types of Bravo vacuum pumps. This video deals with the latest generation. Removal and replacement of different pump types is generally the same. Tools required. Remove the panels, handles, and top cover. Power off the unit and remove the 4 mounting screws. Disconnect the wiring harness. Disconnect the vacuum pump outlet tube from the wastewater reservoir. Pull the pump out and disconnect the vacuum inlet tube EV4 at the pump connection. Remove the pump mounting plates. The new pump does not come with tubes. Attach the outlet tube from the old pump to the new pump on the fitting marked with the arrow out. Place the wiring harness between the rubber mounting feet and reinstall the pump mounting plates. Reconnect the vacuum inlet tube EV4 to the pump's inlet. Connect it to the fitting marked with the arrow in. Reconnect the outlet tube to the wastewater reservoir. Reinstall the pump mounting screws. Reconnect the wires. First the ground, and then the white wires. To determine that you have correctly wired the pump, power on the unit and access the device test menu. Select Manual Test and scroll to Vacuum Pump. Press Enter to trigger the vacuum pump. And listen to hear the pump running. If your pump is wired correctly, back out of the main menu and run a complete vacuum test to check your installation for leaks.